Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about dulse, and it's a type of sea vegetable or seaweed. I've got some dulse flakes right here. You see they're kind of a brownish reddish color. And I've got a list of suggested food and flavoring combinations that are known to pair well with dulse. So if you're wanting to include it in your meals in some way, hopefully this list will help you out. Combine dulse with basil, sun-dried tomatoes, and walnuts. Or dulse with dill, lemon zest, and parsley. Dulse with ginger and sesame oil. Dulse with lemon and tahini. How about dulse with lemon juice and or lemon zest and walnuts? Or dulse with just a hint of sea salt and sesame seeds. I do hope this helps you out. Bye for now.